Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of your CoinMarketCap account on your Android device, whether you are using mobile device or tablets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, tap open the CoinMarketCap application on your device. Once you're inside the main home page, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From your expanded menu that pops up, go to the bottom and look for the Logout button. If you find it, simply tap on it. Soon after you give it a click, you'll be signed out of your account and return to the app's home screen. You can easily log in whenever you want, just make sure you have the correct credentials. After signing out, you can log into another account, keep your account secure on shared devices, enjoy more privacy when not actively using the app. So that's how you easily log out of CoinMarketCap in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.